Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill and welcome to the class in which I'll be teaching you all about a free transform tool. This is going to be the 15th class of Adobe Illustrator for beginners. So without any further ado, let's get started. And welcome back to the world of Adobe Illustrator, my friend. So what we have to do, we have got two of the options like a free transform tool and puppet warp tool. So what we have to do, let me take rectangular tool there, make sure to hold the shift and the alt button, make sure to draw that proportionally, make sure to change the color of that and click there, remove the stroke color from that. So we've got the rectangular tool there. So what we have to do, we've got the tool there which is known as a free transform tool. Make sure to click there and click on a free transform, and over there just try to play with that. Make sure to click there on constraint and then click there and then make it bigger or smaller proportionally. So if you click on it, means uncheck that, this time you're free to design that, you're free to stretch that any way you want. See, I'm working on it. So I've got this option, something like that, which you can transform that any way you want. And we have got the next tool inside that of the tool like perspective distort. Make sure to click on it and then click on any of the corner. See, so the moment I have clicked on the right corner, I am able to make it bigger from both of the sides. See, that works. You can also make it or move that inside or move that outside. See, that works. Let me move that to center. So let me try another way, like clicking there and then click on this center. See, we are also going to be able to apply that like that. That works, my friend, and you're good to go. Let me take another one and change the color of that so that you can get more of the interest. And we've got the next tool, that is a free distort tool. So we need to be clicking on any of the corner and then we are going to be able to make that or move that anywhere that is needed. See, that works. So that is working something like that. Well, this time let me type something, my friend, like click there and make sure to click there, and this time type global. Make sure to increase the size of that. See, make sure to change the color of that. So we've got that. We need to go for a free transform tool and then click on perspective distort tool and then make sure to click there. Have a look at this, my friend. Well, I think we need to be clicking on this free transform tool and then we are going to be able to make it bigger, smaller. Make sure to click on this so that you can stretch that or make it bigger or smaller proportionally so that that will not look so much awkward and ugly. So we've got this option, my friend, perspective. Make sure to click on it. Let's have a look at this. Well, the reason this is not being applied on this is because I want to tell you something about that. Make sure to go for object and convert that to sort of outline shape or sort of shape, like expand that. Hit OK this time. Make sure to click on it. Now you're good to go, and that is working so much well. So the reason I have applied many times so that I could have understood you. And make sure to take the copy of that before I work on it. So we have got two of the words like global. Make sure to click on transform tool and then this time make sure to click on perspective distort. Have a look at this, my friend. Then make sure to click on this and then just move it to upwards. Have a look at this. Make sure to click on the next one. And this time what we have to do, just try to do the opposite of that. Have a look at this, my friend. How interesting is that working? See, that works. So the things are working something like that. So I hope you have enjoyed this small sort of class in which I have taught you all about perspective warp tool. So that is what I have taught you in this tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye and take care.